Alright, I got 3 bags in today from Palace. This drop was 2 weeks ago. I mean, it was an easy cop because I was able to cop multiples of a lot of things. So let's take a look. Ferg. I was able to pick up 3 of these in 3 different colorways. Got a white Ferg sticker. Palace return label. So this is the gray one, and I got navy. They're different from Supreme where you're able to pick up multiples. This one is a cornflower blue colorway. Got a white Ferg. Cornflower blue right here. So I got 3. I got the navy, gray, cornflower blue, Ferg. Open up the last one. Another Ferg sticker. Big bag, black Palace bag. This one is that layer jacket. It was sitting all the, I think the colorway that sold out was the yellow, and then it slowly sold out. But this thing is super thin. This is that teal blue. Got that Palace Ferg. Got all the zips. Got all the zippers on the side, on the back. Got a big Palace Ferg logo right in the back. There's a hood. Got the Palace tags. Got it in a size medium. Inside is navy blue. But this is a pretty sick piece. Let's open this up. 1 of 3 Palace Ferg hoodie. This is the cornflower blue, aka light blue. Check it out. Shoo, it's so fire. This colorway is so sick. Of course, peach with flu was the first one to sell out. Boss ate those up. This is a size medium. But these are just sitting on the side, and I was able to grab 3 of them manually. It was crazy. I was like, I'll take it. Check out the back. Oh, this is fire. Tell me that ain't fire. Tell me this ain't fire right here. This is so sick. Such a sick piece. So sick. Yeah. So I picked up all these pieces from Palace 2 weeks ago. I'm not going to open these. Just a gray, navy, same thing, but 3 Ferg hood and this layer jacket is the newest pickups. Let me know what you guys think. See you guys in my next video. Peace.